Hey, join us today as we make a Kit Kat no-bake pie. The ingredients we're going to be using is 1 block of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to be using 10 Kit Kat sticks, and then for the garnish on top we have 2 more Kit Kat sticks set to the side, and we just finely chopped them. And then a graham cracker crust and a container of Cool Whip that I'll be getting out in just a second. I almost forgot. Okay, got the Cool Whip out. So now we're gonna start with 1 block of cream cheese. We're gonna put it in a mixing bowl. We're gonna grab the mixer. Got it right over here ready. Just give it a good mix and get it real creamy. We're gonna leave that sitting there and use it again here shortly. Okay, now we're gonna add the 1 cup of powdered sugar into the mixing bowl. There always has to be a little bit that wants to stay back. We're also gonna add 1 tub of Cool Whip, 8-ounce tub. And while I'm opening this, let me tell you how to spell encouragement. We love encouragement, and this right here is how you spell it. I'll put it up on the screen. Just scoop all that Cool Whip into there. That's for me later. And now we're also gonna dump in the 10 sticks of Kit Kats that we chopped fine at the beginning before you joined us. I don't want to bore you too much. We're gonna give all this a quick mix with the mixer. Now that's all finished, we're gonna take this pie shell, this graham cracker crust, I call it a shell. We're gonna scoop all this in there. Got chunks of the Kit Kat all up in there, give it the good Kit Kat flavor. If you like these no-bake pies like this, I have a whole list of them. I'll link at the end of the video. Check them out. Spread all that around really good. This is an extra large pie shell. The regular size works a lot better, but I had it in the cabinet to use, so I need to get it out of the way. Filled it up pretty good though. That'll be for me after a while also. Now we're gonna take these little pieces here and just garnish them over the top. Remember, if you like all these desserts we're making, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share them with everybody. We're gonna cover this and chill it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours before serving.